Good morning, teacher and friends. My name is Sudevasu Jinda, number 22 from M3 Sarat 10. Today, I will present about the study of the process of making natural fertilizer. This project is a part of science project. Chapter 1, Introduction. The problem of farmers, plants, fruits, vegetables, cereals, and many people is the result of their plants aren't good enough. This because of some equipment or material in plants or while growing plants have some mistake, or maybe the soil fertilizer or water is not good. Some people plant the tree with long soil. Some people add the chemical fertilizer or dirty water that make the bad result for tree and their product. So, choose the correct soil and clean water. But the problem is the fertilizer. There are many types of fertilizers, such as chemical fertilizer, organic fertilizer, natural fertilizer, and inorganic fertilizer. Many people develop chemical and natural fertilizer. The chemical fertilizer can help and hurt the plant growing, but almost of the natural fertilizer can help the plant growing well. But many scientists produce the chemical fertilizer, and they also produce the natural fertilizer. If many people use the chemical fertilizer, it will hurt the plants. Not only the plant, also the animal and the human that eat the plant too. And it will also hurt the earth too. So we have to choose the natural fertilizer for this. Also the insecticide. It kills insects, but also the plant too. So no insecticide and bad fertilizer. Also in the fertilizer bag there are the label. People also must read the label before use something. This is the thing that all people must do. Also in the fertilizer bag, there must be the label that tells the NPK. For the future of everything, think before do. So plant is the good food, organic and natural fertilizer. This is the objective. The objective is to produce and develop the fertilizer. And scope is almost 10 days. Expected advantage. If the farmer and people can use the fertilizer with correct NPK for each plant. Number 2, farmer can reduce the charge for buying the fertilizer. Chapter 2, Review of the related literature. Theory. Fertilizer is the thing that people who want to plant have good result for each plant. The element that plant use for growth is nitrogen or N, phosphorus or P, and potassium is K. This is the data table of my project. It will show that the beans with fertilizer and the chili with fertilizer, and the bean with no fertilizer and chili with the fertilizer. This is chapter 3, the methodology. First is sampling technique. It's from land development department, and there are the equipment of fertilizer. The first one is fertilizer with 400 grams per pot. Number 2 is phosphate. Now in the chapter 3 of methodology. First is the sampling technique from land development department. Equipment for fertilizer. 1 is the fertilizer with composition for 40 grams per pot. 2 is 4 pots. 3 is bean and chili seeds. Bean is 5 beans per pot and chili seeds 5 seeds per pot. 4 is water, 5 ml per pot. And